All right, everyone, welcome. Welcome. My name is Ben Klocek. I am one of the founders of soilsaltandspirit.com, where you registered for this event. Soil, Soul, and Spirit was inspired by the work of my father, Dennis Klocek, who is one of our speakers today. He's our keynote speaker. And Soil, Soul, and Spirit is a website and an organization that's committed to reconnecting the sciences and the arts with their spiritual roots. We're really trying to bring back the heart to a lot of these practices, eliminate some of the mystery and reveal some of how the spirit moves in that. And I want to mention spirit is in our modern world sometimes seen as a purely religious term, but the way that I've come to understand it over my years of working with my father and reading about what spirit is it's the unseen world. It's the world of forces and meaning and purpose, concept that all lives behind the manifest world, the world of matter that modern science has really focused on so deeply to the exclusion of those impulses behind it. And so our purpose with Soil, Soul, and Spirit is to reconnect those pieces by looking at things like agriculture through the biodynamic movement that Steiner brought, through soul work, looking at meditation and relationships and storytelling and meaning and how those things allow us to connect both the material reality that we experience day to day and that underlying experience that we have of the more than matter. And then finally, the spirit aspect is, as I described, that unseen element, which esoterics researchers throughout the generations have studied in their mystery schools. And now a lot of that is becoming more present in the world through the world of the internet and this day of consciousness soul, this time of consciousness soul. And so thank you so much for joining us and taking this journey this weekend with us in this experience of blending those worlds together. Because now more than ever, this perspective of reweaving our material reality and our sciences and our arts with this unseen world becomes more important. Because without our connection to that unseen world, it doesn't have a way to influence what happens in the physical world. So today, hopefully, you can sit back and enjoy these speakers who have spent their lifetimes looking at these questions, have spent their lifetimes teaching these questions, and today, through the mystery of biodynamics and working with the land, hopefully we can heal one another and our world. So I want to just welcome everyone from around the world. We have quite a list of folks who are joining us. We have folks from the US, Canada, Iceland, Mexico, Costa Rica. Welcome. From Venezuela, from Argentina, Chile, all over the UK, Norway, Germany, Italy, Croatia, Turkey, South Africa. Friends hailing from India, China, Japan, Singapore, Malaysia, Australia, New Zealand, and more probably that I didn't have the time to find. So welcome everyone, and hopefully we can share this wisdom in our communities so that we can touch the world all over and bring this healing as is much needed everywhere. So if you haven't taken a look at the website, our schedule for the weekend, we're going to have 2 sessions in the morning, each an hour long. Then we'll have a half-hour break in the middle so we can refill ourselves. And then a final 2 presentations after that. And then we'll wrap the day up with a panel of myself and speakers from the day where we go into your questions and dialogue about things that have come up throughout the day and hopefully have some rich conversation between these amazing speakers. And then finally, I wanted to take a moment to put a special thanks in for the Khoros Institute. The Khoros Institute was founded by Dennis Klocek and Patricia Dixon, um, maybe 10, 15 years ago, to support this sort of work in the world where we're bringing people together to have dialogues about inner work, about work on the land, about healing one another and our culture. And over the years, it's been an incredible support for Soil, Soul, and Spirit and the work that we're all doing, primarily through the donations of amazing supporters that have given of their time and their money to allow this to happen. It's a 5013C organization, so it's a tax-deductible donation. And if you feel like you have room for that in your budget, that's always welcome. Throughout the years, we've published books, we've put on events, we published many articles and lectures free on soilsoulandspirit.com with their support. So if you feel like you can, feel free to put a donation in there. The website is khoros.org. And they actually prepared a video for us that I wanted to just screen real quick so that you can learn a little bit more about them and what they're doing.
At Khoros Institute, we believe an insight is a seed that can transform a life and shape a more caring future for all. That's why we support the teachings of visionaries like Dennis Klocek, rooted in Rudolf Steiner's anthroposophy and biodynamics, bringing new perspectives and inner development to seekers everywhere. We also support soilsoulandspirit.com, founded by Ben Klocek, funding events, written content, and video production that reconnect practical science with deeper spiritual roots. Offerings of online courses, essays, and symposia, many free to access, on biodynamics, alchemy, and more, foster curiosity and encourage growth in body, mind, and spirit. In these spaces, hearts open and a new dew of understanding emerges, fueling personal renewal and strengthening our shared humanity. With your support, we can continue to share this living wisdom. Donate today at khoros.org. Thank you.
So thank you again, Khoros, for your wonderful support. And I just wanted to mention thank you to recent donors, Alexis, Maureen, Ralph, Luke, Gloria, James, Una, Leah, Eileen, Daniel, Robert, Barbara, Tavnaya, Laura, Michelle, Bob, Gregory, Camille, Patricia, Bios, and Marty. Thank you so much for your donations. Much of the funding for putting this event on today and this weekend has come from Khoros, so thank them as well for this. So with that, I'd like to bring our first speaker in now. Our first speaker is my father, Dennis Klocek.